In today's episode, we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence, debunking myths and understanding its true implications in the legal field.
Michael, have you ever read Mary Shelley's Frankenstein?
Yes, the story about a scientist who creates a monster. What does that have to do with our profession?
Exactly. That story, along with movies like Terminator, Ex Machina, and A Space Odyssey, fuels a lot of the public's fear about destructive artificial intelligence. But we need to separate fiction from reality.
All right, I'm intrigued. Go on.
You see, these stories revolve around artificial intelligence or creations turning against humanity. However, our situation is different. We are not dealing with sentient beings, but tools designed to assist.
But I've heard of artificial intelligence harm, especially with racial bias and a lack of transparency.
Absolutely valid concerns. Like the case where artificial intelligence was found to have racial bias in predicting criminal recidivism. In our field, potential harms include artificial intelligence models making biased decisions due to poor training data or even infringing on intellectual property rights.
I've read about that. It's when artificial intelligence-generated content unintentionally mirrors copyrighted work, right?
Yes. The issue arises when training data includes unlicensed works or when artificial intelligence unintentionally creates unauthorized derivative works. The company could be liable for willful infringement. Dear viewer, write your opinion in the comments. Would you trust artificial intelligence to represent you in court?
So, if artificial intelligence has these limitations, how can we, as attorneys, trust and use them?
By understanding and managing them. Use artificial intelligence as an assistant, not a replacement. Continuously check its outputs and ensure that your training data is as unbiased as possible.
But Liza, there's also this lingering fear among attorneys of being replaced by artificial intelligence.
Michael, while artificial intelligence can help with tasks like document review or basic research, the human touch, the intuition, the strategic thinking, these are irreplaceable. Artificial intelligence can't empathize with a client or argue a case with passion. We should view artificial intelligence as a tool to enhance our capabilities, not a replacement.
Makes sense. So, in essence, it's about leveraging the strengths of artificial intelligence while understanding and mitigating its weaknesses.
Precisely. As long as we remember that, and keep ourselves updated with artificial intelligence's developments, we'll stay relevant and even more efficient in our roles.
Thank you for joining us on Artificial Intelligence Talks. Remember, understanding is the key to leveraging any technology.
Dear viewers, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to receive notifications about new episodes.